We're all under pressure in our jobs, time constraints, budget constraints. I found that it's easier going to a company like Springfield, where they'll come in and do the complete task for us, project manage the whole thing from planning, design, coming up with exact layouts of what we can expect at the end product, so we can fit the right number of students into spaces, maximize potential room layouts. Springfield deliver the furniture on site. They send people to put it all together for us, allows my team to carry on working in other aspects of their job. It's all put together professionally, safely, meets all current standards. Definitely recommend Springfield to other colleges, schools. They really do understand the education business. They know about budgets, tight deadlines. Usually a lot of this stuff needs to be done during holiday periods, and they're very good at planning ahead and giving you support throughout the project.